BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 39 of season 3. Today's word is phenomenal. Would you like to know what it means? It means extraordinary, highly unusual, astonishing, or extremely remarkable. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word phenomenal. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Phenomenal is spelled as P-H-E-N-O-M-E-N-A-L. The City Museum was not doing well. It was incurring losses and the number of visitors too was depleting, which means the number of visitors was reducing. A company that runs a chain of restaurants took over and converted it to a fine dine restaurant. They, however, retained the artifacts of the museum and the interior decoration was done up like a palace. Post these renovations, it gained popularity and there was a phenomenal increase in the number of visitors. People would love to have their meals and get a glimpse of historic artifacts or objects displayed in the museum at the same time. Wow, isn't that wonderful? Listen carefully how we can use the word phenomenal in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Ashka won the award for the best actor in the child actors category for her phenomenal performance in the movie. She must have done an exceptional job, don't you agree? Example number 2 of 8. Online trading has seen a phenomenal growth in the past few years. This is because it is extremely convenient for the traders and the new generation is more comfortable with internet-based applications. Moving on to example number 3. Example number 3 of 8. The award-winning book received phenomenal success as the author had derived management lessons from the ancient wisdom in mythological stories. Wow, isn't that an innovative idea? Example number 4 of 8. An NGO organized a rally for preserving trees. It received a phenomenal response. Citizens across the city joined the rally and the authorities took concrete actions to preserve 250 trees. What an impactful job did the NGO do? Do you speak like this sometimes? Maybe yes, because there are fillers in your English. To eliminate that, you need to practice thinking in English. Now you will ask me, how do I do? And I will tell you to visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Ratanbhai was a farmer and with each passing year, the quality of his crop was deteriorating. He was advised to use organic fertilizer. After using the organic fertilizer, there was a phenomenal improvement in the quality of his crop. Moving on to example number 6. Example number 6 of 8. The fire drill would happen once a year at a software agency. Unfortunately, during one such drill, there was an actual fire. No lives were lost. However, there was a phenomenal loss of property. Let's see what example number 7 has in store for us. Don't we all eagerly wait for the year-end sale? We get clothes, jewelry, electronics and many other products at heavy discounts. What happens then? Obviously, there is a phenomenal increase in the sale of these products. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Palaksha is a teenager who received phenomenal success after she launched her health app for teens. Many teenagers look up to her for inspiration. Today we learned the word phenomenal, which means extraordinary, highly unusual, astonishing, or extremely remarkable. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with phenomenal and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 39 of 200 BM vocabulary lessons that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 AM Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.